What's up my fellow traders, hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having an awesome day. A very quick update here on net gas, gold and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have here? As you can see, the price massively fall, and that was expected as we got a nice bearish engulfer. By the way, that was an entry condition I teach you here on my YouTube channel and also to my priority member. And if you're learning my full MMTA course, you know that we have all the rules met, all 6 rules met, and we had our entry happened here. And this was an entry I sent to my priority members, and I also sent priority DM when I saw this entry condition. Priority DMs are for the members who are in touch with me on Instagram. So sometime when I'm not able to send trade alert, I send priority DMs to members, and with that I also send the exact targets. And as you can see, we had another nice successful trade. Target 1 and target 2 has been hit easily. And by the way, if you entered right here, right after the break of this channel, that would be your entry right at the break, and stop loss will be above this channel, somewhere above this channel, and take profit wherever you want to take it. And this was a video I've uploaded how to trade the breakouts of the channels, and I'm going to put the link up there in the description as well. So if you want to take a quick look, then you can go ahead and check that video out as well. So right here, what do we have here? So let's start with Oanda here. We had a very nice entry condition here on Oanda. As you can see, we had a nice double top happened here, and the price did pushed down out of my zone that was previously a level of support that has now turned resistance. So at this point, if you ask me what to expect, I will only look for bearish trades. And the way I'm going to enter my trade with the 2 ways. The first way will be I will look for a few green candles pullback, something like this, followed by a bearish engulfer. If that happens, I will enter my sell trade, or I will take a Fibonacci tool right here, and if I get a pullback to my 50% retracement till 25% retracement, this is my buffer zone. If you follow me from a couple of months or a year, you know how I mark my buffer zone from 0.5% retracement to 0.25 right here. This is my zone from where I take my sell trade. If you are an aggressive trader, 50% retracement is your aggressive entry, but if you are a less aggressive trader, wait for pullback followed by a bearish engulfer right here, enter in a less aggressive way. So that is what I'm looking at. Only look for sell condition, and if a price continue to push down dramatically, the next zone to buy is right here. Let me show you that as well. So the next zone to buy is 1.818 goes up to 1.957, a zone from where you can take your counter buy trade. Minor zone, not a major zone, but we can expect some bounce from here. Like I said, when a market is pushing down in a downtrend, all we can expect a little bounce. That bounces are enough to hit our target before the price can likely to push down and head towards the major level of support, which is right here, from where we can expect a big reversal. So keep an eye here. So at this point, again, just look for sell opportunities with few green candles followed by a bearish candle, or like I explained with a Fibonacci tool, something like this, and you can expect 50% retracement or within this buffer zone, and then you can enter your sell trades from here. So not buying net gas at this point until the price dramatically push up, break above 50 EMA, or it hit my zone right here, the one I've just mentioned. Let's check on currency.com. Right here, similar condition as Oanda. Just look for few green candles followed by a pullback of a red candle. If that happens, we are good to go short, not selling. At this point, we might see few more red candles before we can get a push up, retest of this zone, the lower level of this zone again, before we can see another nice fall. So with the Fibonacci tool, you can expect pullback of 50% retracement, something like this right here. This is a buffer zone. If you follow me right here, from 25% to 50% retracement, from where you can enter aggressively if you want to, with a limit order at 50% or less aggressive way with a bearish engulfer. So that is what I'm looking at, not buying at this point until the price dramatically push up above 50 EMA or fall to the next level of minor support. Let me give you that as well, which is 1.866 goes up to 1.957, a zone from where we can expect counter buy trades with one of the entry condition like my bullish engulfers, or with a less aggressive way, which is my double bottom entry pattern. So keep an eye here. Only look for sell opportunities at this point until and unless price hit this next level of support. So that is it. I'm looking for net gas. Let's check gold. So what do we have right here? We did have a bearish engulfer, but this is not a valid entry for me. If you are my student in MMTA full course, you know why, but it is not something I look to enter my sell trades. But looking at the fact the price is still below 50 EMA. I'm still expecting a price to fall from here, not taking any sort of buy trades until the price is completely broken above 50 EMA. Only look for sell opportunities. At this point, if the price push up, hit 50 EMA, that is also fine. We can enter another sell trade from 50 EMA, or if we have a nice few green candles pull back followed by a red candle, then we can also good to take our sell trades. So only look for sell opportunities until the price hit this next major support, which is 1782 goes up to 1806, a zone from where we will enter with one of the entry condition you learn, which is bullish engulfers or our double bottom entry pattern. Okay, let's quickly check silver as well. So as you can see, the price is pushing up and we have a trend continuation zone, which is 22.02 goes up to 22.20, a zone from where you can expect another fall. So once you have a retest of this zone, I'm expecting a fall on a smaller time frame, and I will only look for sell opportunities at this point. So we have a retest or your double top entry pattern, the way you learn. Let's check crude oil. So right here, as mentioned in my last video, price is below 50 and 20 EMA, not taking any buy trades, so still waiting for a good condition. Price can still push up, hit 50 EMA and form a nice bearish engulfer, and once that happens, I will only look for my sell opportunities. So as you can see, we have 20 EMA cross, faster moving average crossing slower moving average, so that is what we had this fall as well. We have a pullback, now just waiting for another pullback followed by a bearish engulfer. Once that happens, I'm only gonna go for sell trades. So that is it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.